Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix your AirPods not connecting to MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, if the AirPod is right away from the box, then you need to go ahead and connect it at least once with a cable to your MacBook. And once you've already done that, and if it's still not working, then there are a couple ways you can go ahead and fix it. The first is going to be by restarting your MacBook and then restarting your AirPods as well. Make sure that you check AirPods have a sustainable or full charge on your AirPod. That is going to simply go ahead and make a difference as well. And if it's not connecting, go ahead and try to turn off your Bluetooth and turn it on back, and then simply go ahead and connect to the AirPod. Or simply you could go to system settings and then simply go ahead and forget this device if you have connected it before and it's not connecting now. So it is as simple as that. Was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.